IMT builds a very high quality crane, and these remotes are very durable. But there is one glitch in the IMT crane system that can be very annoying for a first-time user. You get your brand new crane, you want to take it out for a spin, you put the boom all the way up, and it gets stuck. Oh no, we're stuck. What happens is the transducer inside the cylinder thinks it's in overload mode, and now nothing will work. I can boom down, nothing's gonna happen. This is a really annoying thing for a brand new truck user. So luckily, it's a pretty easy fix. First step is hit your e-stop button. Now wait 30 seconds. You're gonna turn your e-stop button clockwise. You're gonna hit your transmitter on. You're going to hit engine start, and then hit your boom down function. And as we say at QT Equipment, work dirty, be happy. If you want to learn more about what we do, go to qtequipment.com. Thank you.